In this video, we will learn how to use Xlookup in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here student data with the marks of the every subject. So here I am using in second sheet Xlookup for science subject with the marks of particular student. So Xlookup to the another worksheet we using here. So let's start. First, select the range of data, then press the Ctrl plus T. The data is converted in table. Just click on OK. Then you can change here the table name. I enter here the marks. Then I'm using the Xlookup for science subject marks is equal to Xlookup tab. Select the lookup value, comma, then table's name marks tab, square bracket, use the square bracket. Okay, then enter the name as per student, again square bracket, comma, table name, square bracket, subject name science, square bracket, close, and bracket, enter. That's it. You can see here the Sita get 40 marks in science subject. You can see here the science subject Sita 40 marks in science subject. If you change here the student name Ram, then 70. Ram get 70 marks in science subject. You can see here. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.